If you paused, even for a second, you're not alone. 4 in 5 Nigerians cannot answer that question. And in 2026, that silence has real consequences. The tax rules have changed, and most Nigerians don't know it yet. On January 1st, 2026, Nigeria's tax law was completely replaced. New PAYE bands, new reliefs. The old Consolidated Relief Allowance is gone. A new rent relief has taken its place. The agency you knew as FIRS is now the Nigeria Revenue Service. Every calculation made before 2026 is potentially invalid, and using a wrong figure is not just an error, it is a legal problem. Non-compliance carries serious consequences. Failing to file your return attracts an immediate 10% penalty on your total tax bill, plus interest at the central bank rate, compounding every year. But worse than the fine, without a tax clearance certificate, you cannot access bank loans, win government contracts, renew your CAC, or obtain professional licenses. Doors closed. The longer you stay out, the more expensive it becomes to re-enter. Here is something most Nigerian workers have never thought to check. Is your employer deducting the correct amount? With the new 2026 bans, many payroll systems have not been updated. Some employers are overcharging workers every single month. Others are undercharging, leaving employees exposed to back taxes. Either way, you are losing. And if you're self-employed, a freelancer, a trader, a business owner, you carry the full compliance burden entirely alone. WAKATAX is the precision-built personal tax tool that solves all of this in one purchase. A professionally structured spreadsheet available in both Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, built specifically for the Nigeria Tax Act 2026. Every band, every rate, every allowable deduction already inside. Enter your income and allowances. Get your exact correct tax figure in under 5 minutes. No accountant, no guesswork, just your number, accurately calculated. WAKATAX is not just one tool, it is 3. The spreadsheet calculates your precise tax figure under the new law. The employer checker lets you verify your pay slip against 2026 rates and identify money you have been overcharged. The filing guide walks you step by step from your figure all the way to a submitted return and a tax clearance certificate. Whether you are salaried or fully self-employed, 3 problems, 1 purchase. WAKATAX costs 7,500 naira once forever. Consider the alternative. Miss a filing on a 500,000 naira tax bill and your first year penalty is 50,000 naira. That is 6 times the cost of WAKATAX, just in penalties, just for 1 year. Identify an employer overcharge of 10,000 naira a month and WAKATAX has recovered 120,000 naira for you. 16 times your investment in 1 year alone. WAKATAX is available now. Google Sheets at 5,000 naira, Excel at 7,500, or the combo for both at 10,500. One payment, instant delivery, yours forever. Every Nigerian with income owes a tax return. The question is not whether you need to file. The question is whether you do it correctly or leave it to chance. Don't guess. Don't gamble. Get WAKATAX.